Hi, I'm Catherine Dew and this is my mock teaching video. Okay, so class, today we're going to talk about what we learned yesterday. Remember yesterday we learned a little bit about different kinds of restaurants and different kinds of food. So I want you to look up here, and we've got all kinds of logos for restaurants or signs that you might see for different kinds of restaurants. I want everyone in the class to kind of take a moment and look at them. Let me know what restaurants you recognize, which ones are familiar to you, which ones, like what kind of food do you think that they serve, if you don't recognize it, or if you know, what do they serve. And let's just use some of our vocabulary that we learned yesterday, and just kind of take a moment to look at some signs and some logos. Does anyone have any idea what any of them are? Charlie? Dunkin' Donuts, right? Dunkin' Donuts, right? They serve breakfast food, so stuff you eat in the morning, like we learned yesterday. So donuts or pancakes, those types of things. Any other ones? Roberta? McDonald's, right? McDonald's, everyone knows McDonald's. And they serve lunch or dinner too as well, yes. So you can get hamburgers, French fries, all kinds of drinks, any of that kind of stuff. So just kind of take a moment and look at the logo. Some of you don't recognize. Is there anybody that wants to say one that maybe they don't recognize? Stephanie? The one with the fish on it, it's a lobster. It's a seafood restaurant, so stuff that comes from the ocean. Remember we learned about seafood? That's what they serve there. So now we're going to do an activity using the logos and the restaurants and all of the vocabulary and everything that we learned from yesterday. So I'm going to split you guys up into groups of 2. And what I want you to do is, on your computer, use Google Maps or a search engine similar to that. I can help you with that if you don't know how to find it. And we're going to put in a zip code or a city. You can put one you want to travel to, if you want to go to Los Angeles, or if you want to go to New York or Paris. And we're going to look at the map search and find restaurants, places where you eat. It can be on this list. It can be something you know, something you don't know. And you're just going to pick out 2 or 3 that you'd want to visit as a group and state why you want to eat there. You like the kind of food they're serving, you're looking for breakfast food, anything like that. So 1, 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. So those are your groups of 2. Just split up and start looking for something. Make notes, write down the names of the restaurants if you want to, what you think they might serve. If you don't know what they serve there, you can go ahead and make it up. Just get creative. So I'm going to give you about 15 minutes to do this, so start breaking off into pairs and we'll do this, and then we'll come together as a group at the end and we'll kind of discuss what you guys talked about and use your vocabulary from yesterday. Thank you.